Hello people, welcome to another episode of Logging In. For this episode, I will guide you through the process of how you can log in into the online banking account of Frost Bank. Now to begin the process, first of all, you open a browser on your PC, open a new tab, and on the search bar, you need to type in www.frostbank.com and press enter. This will lead you to the official web page of the bank. Once you're at the web page, you can see there the sign in section on the top. Here you type in your username, then you type in your password. Once all the detail is filled in, you click on login. This way you will get logged in into the Frost online banking. This is how you can easily get logged in into the Frost online banking. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging It channel, and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.